Hello everyone, I am Sora, your tarot reader for today's video. So ayun, kung dumaan to sa For You page nyo, for sure this is a sign or gusto ni universe, makita nyo ito. So firstly, this is gonna be a love reading since this is my deck and I already shuffled it, and etong 3 cards na ang lumabas. So firstly, ang lumabas is the Two of Cups. This represents love. So if you're single, no, there's a possibility na the next few months this year, possible mag-enter ka ng relationship or magkaroon ka ng partner. And ang sumunod na lumabas kasi is the Temperance, no? So again, if you're single, you just need to focus on yourself first. Mag self-love ka muna. Kasi dadating at dadating rin yan, no? Kung para sa'yo, para sa'yo. For now, you just need to be patient, no? I-balance out mo muna ang mga dapat i-balance out, either work, studies, career, or either it can be financial, no? Etong relationship na to is a soulmates kayo. So this is gonna be a harmonious relationship. Then yung connection nyo sa isa't isa is ganun talaga. Sobrang ganyan, sobrang sikip. Ganyan, masikip ang relationship nyo. I mean yung basta kayo, soulmate connection kayo, may soulmate connection kayo. Then lumabas rin ang Ten of Cups. So this represents marriage, no? So possible etong magiging partner nyo is sila rin yung makakasama nyo hanggang sa pagtanda, leading to marriage. So possible sila ang papakasalan nyo. Then kung nasa relationship naman kayo, kung may partner kayo, this is a sign na possible kayo rin ang magkakatuluyan sa huli. Like, wow, marriage, ganon. So this reading pala is it can either be heterosexual relationship. Kung heterosexual ka, kung straight ka, pwede. And if you are also an LGBTQIA, pwede rin siya. Papasok, rin siya, it's a sign rin for you, no? So, ayun, tignan natin ang bottom deck. So, ang bottom deck ay, ayun, Ace of Cups. So, the Ace of Cups, this represents new beginning and new romance, no? So, for singles, possible na dadating na talaga ito, no? It can either be next month, the month of July, or possible the next few months, or this 2025 magkakajowa ka talaga. So as you can see na may cup, then tumutulo na, no? Nag-overflow na. So meaning ang partner mo is mapagmahal. Yeah, nag-overflow yung pagmamahal niya sa'yo. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, kung mag-enter ka sa relationship na to, mahalin mo rin siya. Pero of course, magtira ka rin ng pagmamahal sa sarili mo, no? Huwag natin kalimutan ang self-love. Kasi nga, ayun nga, for single people, you just need to balance your life muna. No? Kasi syempre, mahirapan na rin naman tayo pumasok sa isang relasyon kung hindi naman natin balanse ang pag-aaral, ang work, ang studies, and ang career. So, you just need to balance it out. So, ayun, to summarize it all up, if you're single, magkakaroon ka na ng relationship this year or the next few months or the next few weeks. And if you're already in a relationship, possible your partner is your soulmate. Oh no, I mean soulmate na talaga kayo, but for people in a relationship, this person that you are with right now, kayong dalawa ang magkakatuluyan. Okay? Kayong dalawa ang magpapakasal. It can either be LGBTQIA or heterosexual relationship. So, ayun lang. Good luck sa love life, no? Good luck. And, don't forget to love each other and to love yourself as well. Thank you so much. This is a sign. Thank you.